like to eat it.
Oh, look who dropped by. It's Stitch. And he likes our silly breakfast.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum.
Hi friends, it's Toy Food Fun. And today I am so excited because we're going to go over some vocabulary words with this Just Like Home breakfast and bed set. This is the first video I'm doing this week because last week we were sick. It was such a bummer because I totally wanted to play and do a video for you guys, but we were too sick to, so I had to postpone it. We're back now and we're healthy and we're going to go over this fun collection, and this will help people who want to practice some English words. This will help them with their vocabulary. This is a bowl, 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 cereal, 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 orange, orange, apple, apple, banana, banana, spoon, spoon, knife, knife, fork, fork, napkin, napkin, mug, mug, bread, bread, plate, plate, pancake, pancakes, pancakes, egg, egg, eggs, eggs, bacon, bacon, and then right here we have another plate. This is a pitcher, pitcher. This is a bottle of syrup, syrup, syrup. This is milk, milk. And this is a glass, glass. Well friends, now that we've gone over the vocabulary words, I think we should make a silly breakfast. So let's push some of this aside, and we're gonna get a plate and make a silly breakfast. What would make a silly breakfast? I know. For our silly breakfast, we're gonna have some banana juice. Let's put it in the pitcher and shake it up. Shake it up. And now we have a pitcher full of delicious banana juice. Now let's pour it in our cup. Oh, it's pretty thick. Oh no. That's a silly sound. Banana juice really does make for a silly breakfast. Now let's try something else. I don't know if I want an orange or an apple. Let's mix them and have an apple orange. That's a silly breakfast. Now a bowl of cereal is always nice, but how could we make it silly? I know. Let's put an egg on top and pour some milk. That's definitely a silly breakfast. Let's add that to our silly breakfast. So now we have a glass of banana juice, an apple orange or an orange apple, and cereal with strawberries and an egg on top. Oh, that's so silly. Now what else could we do to make a silly breakfast? Let's look back at our tray, and maybe we could have some bread and pour syrup on it. This is definitely silly because normally you pour syrup on pancakes or French toast, not plain bread. But we're trying to be silly. Now what should we do to complete our silly breakfast? Oh, I know. Let's clean up this pitcher and get a nice hot mug of bacon. This is the silliest breakfast I've ever seen. Tell me in the comments, guys, would you eat this silly breakfast? Is there some of it you think you would like? Tell me in the comments. Oh, our friend Zuma stopped by. Hi, Zuma. Would you eat this silly breakfast?
I don't think so. This is too silly for me.
It is pretty silly, Zuma.
I would like to eat it.
Oh, look who dropped by. It's Stitch. And he likes our silly breakfast.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum.
Oh, wow, that was a pretty gross burp, Stitch. Oh, look, now he's drinking the banana juice. And the mug of bacon. Wow, guys, this sure was a strange breakfast. It wasn't for everyone, but it was a lot of fun. We're glad that somebody liked it. Friends, if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll make more. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again soon.